I've started to disassemble it, and I think I realized the problem. So I have the power boost wiring, so battery input, power boost output, and output from the power boost is powering the trinket and the Pi. Now in the one that I recently deployed, which is running right now, I had the power to the Adafruit, or the Arduino coming directly out of the battery charger, which meant that the switching mechanism doesn't turn it on or off, which I don't think I like, but I think that's what we need to switch this setup to do as well. So the power to the Adafruit needs to be coming directly from here, or Arduino from here, Raspberry Pi through the boost. Because the nice thing about the trinket is it doesn't need boost power. It doesn't need 5 volts. So it can happily run directly off battery, which is more efficient anyway. So we won't need to run this. This whole board should be disabled overnight.